How to change your Uber password on Android. Unlock your phone and find the Uber apps. Tap to open it. Now head to the bottom right and tap the little profile icon. From your profile page, tap on Settings. Let's check those login details. At the top, you will see your name next to your profile picture. Tap on that. Now go to Security and then tap on Password. Enter your current password and then type your new password. Confirm it and tap Save. Heads up, Uber will log you out automatically once you change your password. Just log back in using your new password and you are good to go. Bonus tip: make sure your new password is strong. Mix upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. And that's it. New password, new level of security. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.